Y'all, there are so many ways to incorporate pumpkin into meals, but I thought I'd share this easy and fast, high protein, high fiber snack I have been eating every day lately. I measure out about 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt, and then I plop in about 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I started adding pumpkin pie spice, but I ended up liking cinnamon better, and I usually add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Add less or more depending on how you like it. Then I add about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Again, use less or more depending on your sweet sensitivity. Then I dump in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and I make sure that's all mixed up. And once I've got it all mixed up, I stick it in the fridge for about 20-30 minutes to let the chia seeds really soak up all the moisture and form a nice parfait. Then I break up some pecans because I only have pecan halves and sprinkle them on top, and then I'm super extra because I have molasses in the house and drizzle a bit on top. I am loving this snack. It is full of healthy fats and fiber, and it is a delicious fall treat.